The US 10-year yield likely peaked in October, and we anticipate it won't surpass that level in 2024. We foresee a record sovereign issuance in the United States for next year, as the US Treasury seeks to finance the federal deficit while extending its debt. And the challenge will be to attract private investors who are much more price sensitive than the Fed. This should keep the pressure on the back end of the Treasury curve. The economic slowdown in the first semester and the forecasted disinflation for 2024 is likely to prompt the Fed to its monetary policy by cutting rates. This in turn will bring down the front end of the curve. The combination of these two dynamics should result in a continual steepening of the Treasury curve. In 2024, German 10-year yield should not exceed the peak level we saw in October. However, unlike the US sovereign issuance, in the Eurozone is set to remain stable compared to 2023. We expect the normalization of the yield curve, characterized by a bull steepening, to be slower in the Eurozone than in the United States, as the ECB will be less inclined to cut rates aggressively. As we know, Italy is facing budgetary difficulties, and the PEPP has been an efficient tool for the ECB in 2022 to dampen the volatility of the BTP Bund spread. Regarding swap spread, we expect a gradual normalization in 2024. The recent tightening should continue, but at a slower pace. Finally, inflation expectations in 2024 are likely to remain anchored due to ongoing disinflation and the prior effects of a tight monetary policy.